from Amazon.
Yeah, hello. I got a call from you earlier.
Okay. How can I help you, sir?
Well, apparently there was a charge made on some account for an iPhone
Okay.
14. I mean, I don't have an Amazon account, so I don't know what the problem is.
Okay. No problem. We can fix the issue and find all the problems. Let me know. Do you have a laptop computer?
I do. Yes, I do.
It's on right now.
I can turn it on. Yeah.
Then
Okay.
once your computer is on, it's on.
I just turned it on. It'll be a second.
Okay.
What's the issue with this? With this?
Someone's logged in the account in Dayton, Ohio, and placed the charge. Okay. Place the order.
Huh. Okay. It's on.
Okay. Now open your web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any web browser you have.
Okay. Uh, it's coming up here. Okay, I did.
Okay. Now type over there in a search box AnyDesk, ANYDESK, anydesk.com.
Okay, I did that.
Then hit enter and let me know what you see.
Well, it pulls up a website. It looks like it says download now. Um, I don't know. What do I
Yeah.
do?
Just let me know whatever you see. Let me know each and everything. Can you please read out what you see?
Yeah, it asked me to. I clicked on download. I assume that's what you want me to do. So then it says your download is ready. Um, you can use
Okay.
any desk right away. Um,
Okay.
and then there's
Then
the any desk. Um, I guess it's a program. It wants me to install it. I guess.
okay. Once the downloading is complete, just let me know.
Okay, it's complete. Right.
Then what you see?
Well, I have a screen now with a series of numbers, and then it says what's new in AnyDesk 7.1, and then install AnyDesk, discovery, help us improve.
Okay. Do you see 9-digit number? Tell me the numbers.
Excuse me, 766-497-922.
Can you please repeat it again?
Sure. 766-497-922.
Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm sending a request to you from our side. Do you receive any security warning appearing on your screen?
Yes, I did. Right.
Yeah, look in the bottom of security warning. Do you see I am aware
Yep, I do.
or I look at the bottom of the security warning. Do you see I trust this call and I am aware of the risk? Do you see that?
Yes, yes. No need to shout. Yes, I see that.
Yeah, you need to click both the boxes. Click on it. Then click on accept.
Okay, I did
Now
that.
click on accept. Yeah, click on accept with the shield.
Okay, I did that.
Okay, now just give me a few seconds. Okay, now do you see you are connected with the Amazon security server? Do you see that?
Uh, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, yes, I see that.
Yeah. Now just below the look below the Amazon security server. Do you see scam protection?
Oops, I clicked on the wrong button there. Let's see, amps. Where do
Click
I?
click on
Oh
the
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah. Okay, I see it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
click on it.
okay, I did. Now what? I did. It says default screen sharing, full access, or unattended access.
Click on a full access. Okay, click on a full access.
Okay, I did. Go ahead.
Okay. Now you are successfully connected with us.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what?
Okay. Now just give me a few seconds. Let me first provide you a callback, like our verification. Okay. Just give me a few seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now do you see there is an Amazon security server and there is a agent name and the batch ID. Do you see that?
Yep, I do.
So this is my name and my batch ID. Okay. If you want to write it down somewhere, you can write it down.
I don't care to write it down. Doesn't matter.
Sorry.
I don't think I need to write it down, do I? I mean, what's the point?
Okay. Now, do you see my cursor is moving on your screen? Do you see that?
Oh, yeah, there it is. Sure. Yep, I see it.
So first, let me run a security scan from our side, okay?
Cool.
So do one thing, leave your keyboard and mouse as it is, okay? Let me do it for you.
Okay.
Yeah. First, I'm minimizing each and everything, okay?
Sure.
Do you see that? There is a black box appearing on your screen, a black window.
I see it, yep.
Yeah. Just give me a few seconds. Can you please let me know, sir? Can you please let me know? Except your Amazon, do you use any other payment application like Target, eBay, Walmart?
Do you mean, do I use them online? I don't know. I don't understand your question.
I'm asking you, except the Amazon, do you use any other shopping site like Target, Walmart, eBay? Have you ever shopped from any other shopping site?
Well, I go to Target and Walmart once in a while. I don't shop online. No.
Okay. Okay. Don't move your cursor, sir. Leave your computer as it is.
I'm sorry. I bumped my desk and it must have moved the cursor.
Okay. This is your work computer or your personal computer?
No, it's my personal computer. My kids gave it to me.
Okay. Just give me a few seconds, okay?
Sure.
Okay. Can you please let me know what is this? It's Viva LDI.
That's a browser.
Do you know?
Yeah, it's a browser. It's the browser I use. You never heard of Vivaldi? Yeah, you never.
Yes, I ever heard. Okay. This is a web browser. Am I right?
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
I use it all the time.
You have Amazon account? You have Amazon account or
No,
not?
no, I don't. Uh-uh.
No. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm running a little security scan from our side, okay?
Sure.
Meanwhile, do one thing. Log in your email, okay? You have an email? Like a Yahoo Mail, Gmail. You have your email?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, open your email and look over there. Do you receive any email from Amazon?
Oh, look, just a minute.
Yeah. Once you log in successfully, let me know, okay?
Okay. I did.
You did?
I did.
Okay. Now look your emails. Do you receive any email from Amazon?
Nope.
What happened, sir?
I said no, I did not.
Okay. Then wait for a few seconds. You will receive the email. Okay. There is your case ID. Okay. There will be your case ID.
Nothing yet.
Okay. You didn't receive?
Nope.
Okay. Leave your keyboard. Leave your keyboard and mouse. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you please let me verify your name?
Yeah, Ulysses S. Grant.
Sorry.
My name is Ulysses S. Grant.
Can you spell for me?
Sure, Ulyses.
U.
U as in untruthful. L as in licentious. Y as in xylophone. S as in sneaky. S as in sneaky. E as in essence. And S as in sneaky. And then middle initial S as in snake. And then Grant as in G as in guileful. R as in wrongful. A as in antithesis. N as in noxious. And T as in trickery.
Okay. Let me read it out. It's U as in United.
What?
Uh, U as in United.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah. L as in Lima.
Well, or lying, yeah. Either way, I don't care. I don't know what
Yeah.
lima is. It reminds me of
Y.
lima. It reminds me of lima beans, and I hate lima beans. Ugh, gives me the creeps. Lima beans, I hate them.
Okay. Then Y as in Yankee. S
Yeah.
as in Sam.
Okay, I got better words than that, but okay.
E as in Elizabeth.
Ah, you forgot an S. Two S's.
S.
Two S's.
Sorry.
Well, two S's. Well, actually, there are three in my name. UlySSES.
Wait a second, sir.
Okay. You want me to spell it for you?
Yeah. Type it over here. Okay.
Okay.
Type it over here. Okay. Now leave your keyboard and mouse.
Okay.
And the email ID is V as in Victor, O as in Orange, I as in Indiana, X, D as in Doctor, E as in Elizabeth, D as in Doctor, I as in Indiana, E as in Elizabeth, U as in United, at
Yep.
protonmail.com.
Yep.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's a good French word.
Okay. Now just give me a second.
Mm-hmm. These seconds grow increasingly long.
Okay. And sir, can you please let me know, do you use any third-party payment wallet application like PayPal, Cash App, Venmo?
No, my children tell me not to do that.
Okay. And do you do any kind of online banking with any bank?
No, my children tell me not to do that too.
Okay. Just give me a few seconds, okay?
See, once you get in a retirement home and you get to be my age, your children sort of take over your financial resources.
I understand. Can you please let me know which cell phone you have? An iPhone or Android phone, like Samsung, LG, which one you have?
It's called a jitterbug. It's for seniors. It's a flip phone and it has large letters. Because my eyesight's not very good anymore.
I understand.
Can't you just cancel this dumb order that you say you agree is not mine? Just cancel it.
Yeah, just give me a few seconds.
Well, a few seconds was 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, open your email again. Open your email.
Okay. All right. Oh, I see. There's an Amazon thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Open that email.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you see there is your case ID?
I do. Yep.
So your case is registered with us, okay?
Okay.
This case ID will help you in the future. Like in future, if you're facing a same problem, you can share your case ID with our technician, okay? They will help you and guide you in the better way, okay?
Okay.
Now, what I'm doing, I'm running a little security scan and we sent you a report to you, okay?
Sure.
Okay. Now open your email again.
Crying out loud. Okay, it's open again.
Okay. Now try to refresh. Try to refresh your email. Do you see you received a network report?
I did.
Yeah. Okay. Now read the network report. Then I'll explain you, okay?
Well, it looks pretty self-evident. Not much explanation is required, but go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
What happened, sir? You close each and everything?
No, I didn't. I just minimized it to the bottom of the screen.
Okay. So have you read your email? Have you read the network report?
Yeah, I did. I said it's quite self-evident. Okay, I mean
Now let me explain you.
Okay. Why? It's clear what it, I can understand what it means. Sure.
Sorry.
I understand what it means. It means it's time to buy a new computer.
Yes. As you can see, there is a 210 live hackers are connected. A physical hacker is connected with your network and your device. Okay?
Yeah, well, it's time to disconnect my computer then. I can see that.
And they put up a virus on your network which is called Tiny Banker Trojan. Have you ever heard of Tiny Banker Trojan? Do you know what it is?
Well, it sounds very funny. I can't imagine a small banker. Most of the bankers I know are pretty big.
Yeah, let me explain you.
And a Trojan is a kind of a condom, isn't it?
You can see on a Wikipedia there is an article regarding the Tiny Banker Trojan. Do you see that?
I do, yep.
So this is the paragraph, okay?
I thought you were just going to cancel this bad order. I'm not here for a reading lesson. It seems to me the problem is my computer is all screwed up. And what I need to do is to buy a new computer. So why don't you guys cancel the fake order, the false order, and I'll just go buy a new computer. That's no problem. I got my kids to send me a new one. That's no problem. They got lots of money.
Sir. Listen to me, sir.
I am listening to you.
Yeah. If we just cancel the charge, those unauthorized people have access to all your credentials, okay? Like your banking information, your social media account, all your information has been breached, okay? So before they do it something wrong with your credential and create a fake charge again, we need to find those people and block it, okay?
Well, go for it. Let's go do it. Go do it. Do it.
Yeah.
Do it. Get on with it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
But in order to fix the issue, we need put some security over there.
Well,
Okay?
do it. Just do it. I don't care to know how you're going to do it. Just do it.
Okay. But sir, as you told me, you can't do any online activity. Let me know, do you have any computer store nearby you?
Computer store?
Yeah. It near which you place?
Uh,
Like,
well, I live way out in the country. I think the closest computer store might be. What do I need to buy there? Just a computer?
no, no, no. You need to buy some security. Okay.
Oh, buy some
Like,
security. Okay, well, let's see. The closest, you mean, okay, but I have to go, what kind of a store? What's the name of the store I need to go to?
okay. Just let me know. Do you have any big store or a supermarket near to your place, like Target, Walmart, eBay, Kroger, Dollar General?
I believe there's a Dollar General about 40 miles away. I think that would be
Dollar,
I think that would be the closest one, yeah.
Dollar General?
Yeah.
Is
Mm-hmm.
40 mile away? 40
Approximate,
or 40?
approximately, I'd have to look it up. Let me look at Google Maps and see how far it is. Okay.
Yes, that's good.
Oops, I got caps lock on. Okay, so I need directions. Let's see. Oops. I can put in just the, oh, it looks like there's a Dollar Tree. Does a Dollar Tree work? There's one in Haver. Okay, well, that's not so bad. That's 22 miles.
Okay.
Except, of course, well, can you see the map on my screen?
Yes.
Okay, well, let me show you where I live. I live right about you see the Rocky Boys off reservation? Well, I live just northwest of that. So we'd have to add in the distance from, so it's another 10 miles to Box Elder, about approximately, see, 2, 4, so yeah, it's about 12 miles to Box Elder. So it's about 32 miles to Dollar Tree, right? So what's Dollar Tree got to do with,
Okay.
what's Dollar Tree got to do with the tiny banker Trojan?
Now, do one thing. Leave your keyboard and mouse. Let me do it for you, okay? Let me search a good show for you, okay?
Yeah, that's fine, sure.
Yeah. So do you see there is a Walmart store near to your place? Can you please let me know how far from you? A Walmart?
Let's see, we'll have to do okay, well, that's near Haver. So, well, Haver's where the dollars, let me get directions here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's 19 miles, but don't forget, I live quite a ways west of Box Elder. Box Elder is my mailing address, and it's where you know there's a gas station there and stuff like that. Not a whole lot, but I live. If you can see the map here, I live between 448 and 432. I have about 5,000 acres there,
Okay.
and
But let me know, sir. You have a car you can drive or not?
yeah, I can drive, sure.
Okay. And you have a car with you right now?
No, I'm sitting in my ranch house.
I understand you sitting in your ranch house, but you have a car with you in your parking, in your garage.
Well, I got a truck. I don't have a car. I got a truck. I got 4 tractors too. You want me to take a tractor? I could take a tractor, but that would take a while. I got a John Deere X9 combine, but that would be too slow. I got a 4020 John Deere, but that's getting pretty old. I got a
Pills.
I got to go take some pills. Hang on a second.
Pills. Pills.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, okay, sir.
Now what?
So now let me know. Are you ready right now to go to the Walmart, or
Oh,
you need to get ready?
my God, we got a foot of snow out there. I don't know if it's still snowing. I don't know if I want to go drive in a Walmart in the middle of a snowstorm.
Sir, as you can see, your security damage is too high. The number of hackers is too high. Okay, so we need to put the security as soon as possible. Okay, so anyhow, you need to go to the Walmart and get a security card. Okay.
What is a security card? What does it look like, and how much does it cost?
Don't worry, sir. It's a free of cost. That means you don't need to pay any single dollar from your own pocket. Okay. Amazon will provide you a refund back to your account. Okay. At the same time.
Well, they can pay me in advance. I'm not gonna loan Amazon money.
I understand.
So let me understand this. What does this card look like? Assuming I go to the Walmart, what am I supposed to look for? Do I ask the manager for a security card?
Sir, no. So let me tell you, I'm on a line with you. Okay, I'm on a call with you the whole time. I will guide you each and everything and let you know which card you need to grab from the Walmart. Okay. So don't worry. First, do one thing. Just go ahead and get ready.
Well, okay. The problem is that we're going to lose our phone coverage. Okay, because the phone coverage between where I live now, I got super antennas, so I can pick up the cell signal. Because there aren't, if you look at the map, you can see there's not a lot out here. Okay, a lot of bison and a lot of cattle, but not much else.
You can do one thing.
So,
you can do one thing.
yeah.
Let me tell you. You can do one thing. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. If you got disconnected somehow, you have my call number. Okay, our callback number.
Yeah.
Once you reach the Walmart, okay, don't go inside the store. Stay in a parking lot and call us back.
Okay. Well, it might take me about an hour, given the weather.
And don't worry, if you got disconnected somehow, I will call you back. Okay.
Well,
and let me tell you what you need to do first. Sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
First, do one thing. Get ready. Okay, get ready. Grab all your credit and debit card. Okay.
Wait, I thought you said this wasn't going to cost me anything.
Yeah. Let me tell you. Whenever you purchase from the store, you need to pay something. Okay. But whatever money you pay in the store to get a security card, the money is refunded back to your account at the same time, okay?
How does it do that if it doesn't know what my account is?
You will receive the money back to your same card, whatever you use in your Walmart, okay?
No, I'm not. No, I got a credit account at Walmart. I just tell them to charge it.
Okay, you have a credit account with the Walmart?
Yeah, sure. I buy a lot of stuff there when I drive up there. We go to Haver once in a while. Haver's a major stop on Amtrak stop going to Glacier National Park, and so we take the train to the park periodically. And of course, you can go to Spokane and Seattle that way too, or even down to Portland if you want. So we go to Haver once in a while. So I'm familiar with the Walmart there, and I have a charge account, and they send me a bill once a month, and I write them a check. It works great. So anything I need to buy there, I'll just put on my charge account. So how is Amazon going to reimburse me?
Okay, let me tell you, sir. You can use your debit card. Do you have a debit card with you? Debit or any credit card?
I got a credit card. Yeah, sure. But I would never use it at Walmart. Why would I do that? If I put it on my credit card, I got to pay interest. When I charge it at Walmart, they don't charge me any interest.
No. Then do not charge you any interest. Don't be get worried for that. Okay, the security card is completely free. Okay.
Wait, it's free? Well, then I'll just go. It's free. I'll just go to the manager and say, okay, give me a security card.
No. I'll be let you know how you can get it. Okay. Firstly, check your all the debit and the credit card which you want to be a secure right now. Okay. Just get your all the card, and once you get the card, just let me know. I'll be explain you one by one so you do not get confused that what you have to do over the store. All right.
If I get confused, I'll ask John Smith, the manager. He's a good friend of mine. He'll tell me. I'll tell him all about the security card and Amazon and all that other nonsense, and he'll just point me in the right direction, and I'll get the security card. No problem.
Let me. All right. Firstly, get dressed up for yourself. I'll be tell you how you can get the security card. Okay.
I am dressed. Why do you think I'm undressed? I am dressed.
Then you can. Okay. Then you can do one thing.
I mean, we may live in Montana, but we're not uncivilized. We do wear clothes here in Montana.
Then do one thing. Just drive safely towards the store. I'll be stay with you over the line. If any point of the time, if we got disconnected, I'll be give you a call back again. Okay?
Why don't we do it this way? Because we're not. It's against the law in Montana to be on the cell phone while you're driving. So I'm gonna. I'll hang up here, and then I will call you back when I get back home with the security card. How's that?
No. You have a cell phone which you carry on outside, right?
I have a truck car phone in the truck.
All right. You have a phone on your truck, right?
Yeah, it's a different number though.
Yeah. So just give me that number.
No, I'm not handing out that number. I use that for business purposes only. Sorry. I don't want any strange calls on that phone.
Sure.
We use that phone for talking to the guys when they're riding the range and when we're rounding up cattle and everything else. And I don't want any interference on that phone. That phone is to be used strictly for ranching. Okay, and emergencies. And this is not an emergency.
Okay, that's fine. Do you have any flip phone with you which you can carry outside?
Yeah, that's what I'm using right now.
Yes, so you can take that cell phone with you and we'll be stay connected with you. So I have to be stay connected with you. That's the reason I'm just letting you, okay? Just take your cell phone, the flip phone with you, okay? So I'll be stay connected with you till you are driving towards the store. So I'll be guide you how you can get the cards throughout the store, okay?
Can I ask where you live? Can I ask you where you live? You have no understanding of what it's like to live in a rural area in Montana, because the cell phone coverage out here is terrible.
That's fine, sir. If any point of the time, if we get disconnected, I'll be give you a call back. Don't be get worried for that.
Well, if we're disconnected, you're not going to be able to get through to me until I get to Haver. Now, when I get to Haver, you might be able to connect to me, so we could try that.
All right, that's fine. So if you think that if I'll be get disconnected and once you get the network, you can get connected me again. You have my direct line number, right?
I do,
so
yeah.
What you have to do, yeah. So what you have to do over the store, let me tell you on the very first point, okay? Once you go to the store, there you have to be look for the gift card station, okay?
Okay.
In the store you will be see gift card station. There you need to be look for the Target gift card, okay?
Why Target? Why not Amazon?
Sure, because right now you do not need to be updated the securities for the Amazon account. You need to be updated the securities for your debit and your credit card as well, right? So that is the reason we need to be get that card which is also working for your banking accounts, right? because we need to be secure your bank account and we need to be secure your IP address.
No, I can secure my bank account real easy. I just call up my friendly local banker at the State Bank of Montana, and he'll give me a new card. That's no problem. That's easy. Then I got all different numbers anyway.
Sir, let me tell you, if you will be get even a new card, these people have your identity and they can easily get to know that you authorize a new card, and they will be get to know your new card information as well.
No, they won't. I don't see how they could do that.
Because I hope you already see the information related to be a tiny banker Trojan, right?
Yeah,
Everything is clearly,
sure, but
so everything is, yes, so everything is clearly write it down over there. The tiny banker Trojan also working as like a man in the browser, like establishing as like a man in the browser, right?
establishing like a man in the browser. I don't understand that.
Okay, let me go ahead and show it to you on your computer. Just wait a second.
Okay, I'll minimize this. Okay, go ahead.
Wait. Do you see man in the browser?
Listen, I gotta go out and I got some chores to do. So I will call you when I get to Haver, okay? It'll be about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on the weather. So that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, if it's a problem, in fact, I'll buy a new computer when I'm up there too, just to be on the safe side. So that's what I'm gonna do at this point, because I can't postpone chores anymore. Okay.
So how much time it will take you to reach at the store, like a Walmart?
Well, I said it depends on the weather. Right now it's snowing pretty hard.
So, like, just give me the time, like how much time it will be take you.
Well, obviously where you live, it never snows, because when it's snowing, you have no idea how long it's going to take you to get someplace. Where do you live? Where do you live?
We are in the Seattle, Washington.
Well, you guys get some snow in Seattle, don't you? Huh? What do you mean, uh-huh? Does it snow in Seattle or not? Of course it does.
No.
It never snows in Seattle? Bullshit. Of course it snows in Seattle. Maybe not much. It is true. But you have to cross the mountains to go to Spokane. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hang up now because I got chores to do, and I will call you back when I get to Haver. Okay, and then we'll work on this security card business. Okay, so anyway, I gotta go. I will call you back. So you have a good one. I'll talk to you in about an hour, hour and a half, depending on road conditions and whether the plows are out. Okay.
All
right.
Do not go inside the store, sir. Before you are going inside the store, please do give me a call back. All right.
Okay. We'll see. Talk to you in a bit. Bye. Well, let's see here.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I was on the phone with you earlier.
Yeah. Now, are you reached at the store?
Yep. I am outside Walmart.
Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to use your any debit or the credit card, okay, which you want to be a secure first, okay. Now, what you need to do, once you go inside the store, you have to go directly in the gift card station, okay, or either you will be see a gift card rack over there, okay. Over the gift card rack, you have to find out the target gift card, okay.
Okay.
Which one you need to be, yeah. Once you grab the target gift card, then it will be a, like you can say, a red color card with the one puppy or be a three puppy on it. Okay, you have to be a grab the
Go ahead. I don't understand this puppy business, but anyway, go ahead.
puppy like a dog. Okay, either a one dog, a cute dog on it, or either a three dog on that card. Okay, so you have to be a one, you have to be grab the one card throughout the store. Okay, now once you grab the card, then you have to be go to the cashier and let them load this card with the 500. Okay, and give your debit card, all right, or be a credit card, all right. Once you give it them, then they will be activate that card under the 500, right? But make sure don't let to the store people that why you are grabbing these cards, because you are putting these cards under your account. So if you will be tell to the store people that you are using these cards under your account to secure your account and your identity, these people can misuse your card and they can get into your account as well.
No,
If
they
they will
wouldn't.
be,
No, no, no. They wouldn't do that. That would be committing fraud. They wouldn't do that. These are my
no,
friends. I know these people. They wouldn't do that.
no, you can simply let them that this is for my personal use. Simply let them this is for my personal use.
Well,
That's
what
all
they
you need
don't
to let.
they don't care what it's for.
Yes, then go inside the store. Go inside the store.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm staying with you over the line. Just go inside the store.
Okay. Yeah, hey John, how you doing? Yeah,
You have to be good.
I got this guy on the phone here, John. Anyway,
You
can you tell me where the gift cards are? Oh yeah, I see them. Never mind. Okay, catch you later. Hell of a snowstorm, ain't it? Oh jeez, hasn't snowed like this since last year. Okay, I'm in front of the gift card rack.
Okay, and what kind of card do you see right now?
I see a Lowe's, I see Amazon, I see Google Play, I see iTunes. I don't see any Target cards at all. There is a big sign though that says all cards must be approved by the manager because of fraud.
Uh-huh.
So anyway, I'll get one of these cards and I'll take it over to my friend Sean and he can approve it.
Okay. Listen to me. You have to be get the one, two Google Play card. And what is the denominations for the Google Play?
Well, they got a whole variety here. They got $25, $50, $100, $250. That's about it.
$250.
Yep.
The Google Play card.
Yep.
Sir, let me tell you one thing. The Google Play never come the denominations of the 250.
Maybe I'm misreading it. Maybe it says 25. Oh God, I gotta get new glasses. Jeez.
And do
I guess the biggest is 100.
100.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Well, I can't believe that. I gotta get new glasses. That's really awful.
Yes. Get the two cards and go to the checkout counter and let them put the 100 on the each card. Okay.
Okay, but it says, the sign says you gotta take them to the manager first. So I'll take
No,
them.
you do not need to. You do not need to be go to the manager. Just go to the simple checkout counter and let them put the $100 on the each card. Okay.
Well, the sign on the rack says that all card sales must be approved by the manager.
Just don't be worried, sir. Just go ahead and get the card throughout a normal checkout counter. They will be given to you. You do not need to be go for the manager. Simply go to the checkout counter. Let them put the $100 on the each card. Okay?
Okay. Hang on, hang on. There's a couple of people in front of me.
Okay.
Yeah, hey Bob, how you doing? Yeah, I know. I didn't expect this snowfall. I got this guy running me around trying to buy these gift cards for some Amazon security thing. Yeah, you heard about that, huh? Hmm. Well, so I'm almost the cashier, so we'll see you later, Bob. Hey, Helen, how you doing? Can you run these cards through for me for $100 each? What do you mean? I got to go see John about this? Okay. Yeah, no problem. I know that's what the sign said. Now let me get over to. Let me go find John. Can you page him please for me on the store pager? I'd appreciate it. Yeah, tell him we're over at what are we, aisle 4 here? Yeah, okay, that'll work fine. Okay, I'll wait for him. Yeah, hey John, I got these 2 cards here. This guy from Amazon says I gotta buy these Google Play cards for $100 a piece to get there's some kind of security business. So you can't do that? Well, I mean, I don't care, but he says that's the only way to secure my computer. Well, let me go talk to this guy again and see what he has to say. Hello, you there, Amazon people? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, yeah. Well, the cashier sent me to the manager. And the manager said that he'd never heard of any kind of Amazon security card being, Google Play card being used for that. So he would not approve the sale. And I've known this guy for a long time, so so anyway, so what are we gonna do?
Mr. Grant, let me ask you one thing. Do you think that we are the fool people over here? We can't understand that where you are right now. We are tracking your live locations right now.
Cool.
Okay.
Hey, that's cool. You know exactly where I am then. That's wonderful. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
And you are still at your home. You are just making me a fool. You are trying to making me a fool. But we are not a fool. Okay? I'm working in the security department from the last 7 years. And I deal more than the 2,000 people. Okay? So I know that whatever the customer is trying to do, I can get the person on the very first voice that is that the person who is working with me or not. Okay. Do you think that this is something a prank which is going on? This is a recordable line. This is the federal line which you are talking right now.
It's a federal line. Well, you know that's not true. That's not true.
You can just record this line and just let them over the call that I lie each and everything over the call, and go to your nearby local sheriff and just show all the recording to local sheriff. They will be take the cash against to you. Okay.
They will do what? No, wait. You got to work on your English here, okay? Because that doesn't make any sense.
That's not a big point. I'll be trying to make to.
Okay, so since you know my location so well, where is the local sheriff's office?
Let me give you your local sheriff office.
Okay.
Allow me a second.
Okay.
Let me give you a full detail.
Okay.
Information.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait a second.
wait a second with me.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Wait a second, sir. I'm giving you information. I'm just pulling out your nearby local area sheriff department.
I mean, I know where it is. So I just want to confirm that you actually do know where it is. Because I know where it is. The sheriff, in fact, happens to be a good friend of mine. Right. And by the way, do you know what the chief law enforcement officer for the county is called? He's not called the sheriff. Do you know that? Do you know the answer to that? Do you know the answer to that question? Okay, what is the chief law enforcement officer called in a county where I live?
Cop.
No, there's a title. We're talking about a title. There's the sheriff, and then there's the person who's in charge of law enforcement. The sheriff is an elected official. Okay? However, this other person who is in charge of law enforcement is not an elected official. He's appointed by the sheriff. Now, what is his title? If you're so smart and you know everything, tell me what that is. I don't think you know. You don't know, do you?
Okay.
You don't know. You have no clue. And you're not in Seattle. I know for a fact you're not in Seattle.
Okay. All right.
So, you know,
that you are trying to make clever or try to make it smart to yourself. Okay.
no, I'm not trying to be smart at all. No. I am not. I'm nowhere near. I'm sure.
To know that,
I'm sure I'm nowhere near as.
and what I can do for you. Okay.
Look.
Let me put a case against you. Just stay with me over the line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me. You know where I am. Okay. No. Well, we got a reveal out of that one, but that's okay. We kept it going for a long time. That was kind of fun.